And the winner is
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Hey champion, let me ask you something. What separates legend from the rest? Is it talent, hard work, or something else? Today we are diving into incredible life of Cristiano Ronaldo, the man who went from a skinny kid to one of the greatest athletes of all time. But here is the twist: this is not just about football. Ronaldo's journey is packed with lessons that you can apply into your own life, whether it's fitness, mindset, or chasing your dream. And stick around because at the end I will got a bonus tip that will completely change the way how you approach any challenge. Step number 1: obsession with growth. One thing that separates Ronaldo from the rest is his obsession with getting better every single day. He was not always the best player. He had one thing no one could beat: his hunger to improve. What to do? Adopt a growth mindset. Challenge yourself to get better every day. Whether it's learning a new skill, improving your fitness, or mastering your craft. Start small but stay consistent. What not to do? Don't settle for mediocrity. Ronaldo did not settle when he was talented. He kept pushing. Don't stop just because you're good. Aim to be better. Friendly tip: take a moment to write down one thing that you can improve. It's small steps that lead to big change. Step number 2: work harder than anyone else. Ronaldo's success is not just because of his talent. It's his insane work ethic. While others rest, he train. While others give up, he keep pushing. What to do? Commit to working everyone in your field. Whether it's hitting to the gym, studying late, or grinding your side hustle. Put in the extra effort. What not to do? Don't rely on luck or talent. Hard work beats talent. When talent does not work, work hard.
Effort, dedication, work hard, because the talent is not enough anymore. And if you're not dedicated 100%, you're not gonna reach the level.
Friendly anecdote: I remember hearing a story of Ronaldo staying back after training session to practice for hours. If he can do at the top level, what's stopping us? Step number 3: discipline over motivation. Here is the secret: even Ronaldo does not feel motivated all the time. The difference: he rely on discipline, not motivation.
I give you the map. You are willing to do that? Yeah. It's the main point, because everyone wants to be Cristiano, but I give you the map. You think you will do it? That it's difficult. It's
The discipline.
the discipline is the most difficult thing, not only in sports but in life.
What to do? Build a routine that keep you consistent even when you don't feel like it. Whether it's a morning workout or studying schedule, show up no matter what. What not to do? Don't wait for the perfect moment to start. The perfect moment does not exist. It's all about your action. Friendly tip: try this for a week. Commit to doing something every day at the same time, like exercising or reading. You will be amazed at how quickly it becomes a habit. Step number 4: take care of your body like an athlete. Cristiano Ronaldo treat his body like a temple. His diet, workout, or recovery routine are next level. And here is the truth: if you want to perform at your best, you need to take care of your body too. What to do? Start eating clean, drinking more water, and optimizing sleep. Even small change like cutting out junk food or walking daily can make a massive difference. What not to do? Don't ignore your health. Success in any area start with feeling your best physically. Step number 5: resilience in the face of criticism. Ronaldo has faced criticism throughout his career, whether it's being called too selfish or past his prime. But guess what? He never let it to get him. Instead, he used it as a fuel.
When I'm 12 years old, most of the people told me, Cristiano, you are a very, very good talent player, but you are very skinny. So I've improved myself.
What to do? Develop thick skin when people doubt you. Let it motivate you to prove them wrong. What not to do? Don't let criticism or negativity stop you. Use it as a feedback to grow strong. Friendly anecdote: whenever I face criticism, I remind myself of Ronaldo's reaction to his hater. He lets his work speak louder than their word. Step number 6: confidence is the key. Ronaldo walks into the pitch with unshakable confidence. Confidence is not just about believing in yourself. It's about putting in the work so you know you are ready. What to do? Build confidence through preparation. The more you practice, the more confidence you will feel. What not to do? Don't fake it without putting in the effort. True confidence comes from knowing you are done your work. Friendly tip: next time you face challenge, remind yourself of the work you are putting in. Confidence is earned, not given. Step number 7: never stop dreaming big. From a young boy in Medina to dominating the global stage, Ronaldo never never stop dreaming big, and neither should you. What to do? Develop thick skin when people doubt you. Let it motivate you to prove them wrong, even if they feel out of reach now. Take small step every day. What to do? Don't limit yourself with self-doubt. If Ronaldo can dream of being the best in the world and achieve it, so can you. Bonus tip: surround yourself with greatness. Here is the bonus tip which I promised. Surround yourself with greatness. Ronaldo is known for working with best coaches. He knows the people around you shape your success. What to do? Build a circle of friends who inspire, challenge, and support you. What not to do? Don't let negative or unmotivated people drain your energy. Choose your circle wisely. Friendly anecdote: when I started spending my time with motivated people, my own motivation skyrocketed. You become like the people you surround yourself with. So there you have it, 7 lessons from Cristiano Ronaldo to transform your life. Plus the bonus tip to level up your circle. Remember, success is not about talent alone. It's about hard work, discipline, and develop your inner circle. Until next time, keep pushing, keep dreaming, and remember, greatness is within you.